3 signs na may poor mindset ka. Let's go. And this science is based dito sa Wealth Files number 1 sa Secrets of the Millionaire Mind by T. Harv Eker. So ito yung first book na binasa ko about self-improvement and finance. And sinabi niya dito sa Wealth File number 1, which is rich people believes I create my life. Poor people believes life happens to me. On traits ng mga poor mindset daw na sinabi niya doon is number 1 is they like to blame. If you're a guy na mahilig mag-blame ng mga bagay-bagay or tao kaya ka mahirap, then you have a poor mindset. For example, you blame the market. Yung market, yung Bitcoin bumaba kaya ako mahirap. You blame the government. Si BBM kasi presidente natin eh. You blame the education, you blame everything. Yung magulang mo, lahat biniblame mo. That's a poor mindset. Again, according sa book. Number 2 is you like to justify things. Hindi ko kailangan ng pera. Money is not that important. Again guys, money is important sa mga areas na importante siya, like paying bills, eating, food, security, house, etc. And hindi siya importante sa mga bagay na hindi siya importante. For example, happiness, love, talaga importante pera doon. And if you're a guy na mahilig mag-justify ng things kaya ka ganyan, then you have a poor mindset. And lastly, ang favorite ko dito and pinaka nairita rin ako after ko ito mabasa is complaining. Since if you like to complain, then you have a poor mindset. For example, you complain about the weather, you complain about the government, you complain about everything. We live in the world of vibrations and energy. And kung mahilig ka mag-complain, most likely yung makukuha mo is kung ano yung mga sinasabi mo, yung mga kino-complain mo. If you complain, you become this crap magnet na lahat ng mga sasabihin mong madudumi or masasama is ma-attract mo.